Where did you say happy birthday? Where's show mommy? Did you say happy birthday?
Tinkerbell.
Do you see Tinkerbell?
Yeah. Like
Right there?
Molly, is this Tinkerbell?
Tinkerbell.
Molly, is this Tinkerbell? Yeah. Yay.
Molly, how old are you today?
Molly, did Molly have hornies on her head? Yes, hornies. Yes, hornies.
Molly, how old are you today? Molly, is that a card for Molly?
Yes, call your mommy.
Peyton, stand with Molly.
Molly.
These stickers? Peyton, you say happy birthday to Molly?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Molly. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Molly's 2 today!
Happy birthday to my 2-year-old. Happy birthday to my 2-year-old. Happy birthday to my 2-year-old. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Molly.
Yay! Time to go to school.